Hello YouTube, Kubota G5200 Polar here. First off, I just want to say sorry for the bad lighting. Because it's nighttime where I'm at. Well, almost morning. It's almost 12 in the morning for me, Eastern time. So this is a bit of a different video here. I'm in the same location that my very first video was made. Before my YouTube channel was changed to Kubota G5200 Polar. It was just my name, my very first video. This is the same place I'm making this video. So yeah. Sorry, I'm tired. But anyway, I want to give another shout out to a guy that I gave a shout out to in my first video, Josh Conlon. So, you should go, just go check him out. Check out his YouTube channel. He makes some pretty cool vids. For those of you who are into steam engines and stuff, he does a lot of that stuff. That's like his hobby. He also does with water pumps and other different custom stuff. Another YouTube channel that I watch. However, Josh Conlon, I don't watch his videos extremely often. Sorry, Josh, because I know you're gonna watch this video, which I told you that before. So another YouTube channel though that I watch regularly on a daily basis, pretty much, is Guitar McGinnon ZL1. You might want to go check him out too. He makes some awesome vids. It's going soon. Believe next month or September is going to be about a year that I've been watching his channel for. After I got to ride my buddy's Camaro, I decided I think I'm going to get on YouTube, look up some Camaro videos, and I found Guitar McGinnon ZL1. If you want to look him up on Facebook, his name is Nick Wright. But just don't be flooding his Facebook, please. Because he already has a lot of friends on there. So I don't need y'all to be screwing him over and stuff. But if you want to, just go over to Facebook, just send a message, say hi or something like that. Then after I've been watching his YouTube channel for a while, or for a little bit, I found another YouTube channel, Street Speed 717. After that, I found another YouTube channel, Diablo Formula Racing, or DFR. His name is Andy. Street Speed 717's name is Mike. So, anyway, yeah, I know this is a totally different video than what I normally do. I normally do videos with tractors and stuff. So, yeah. But ew, I don't know what happened there. This video is probably gonna be narrow. Let's fix this. Alright. It's a full screen video now. And I think y'all can see me better, right? I'm clearly not good for making YouTube videos with y'all looking at me. Sorry. But anyway, this is totally creepy. Yeah, we're going back to what we were doing. Narrow screen, sorry. Okay, that's much better. But, yeah. So, my YouTube channel, like I said, normally about my pulling tractor gone hunting. I converted to 5200. Last video I made showed you that she wasn't in the shop. I told you that she is away getting work done. She still is. But I have a part here that I got for her. Here it is. This is a braided stainless steel oil line for a turbocharger. It was $17.65 off eBay. I got this for a eMotors USA GT15 turbocharger, which is kind of like the Garrett GT15, just not exactly. However, I forgot to tell y'all what the shout out for Josh Kylan is. He happened to make me some exhaust flanges for my turbocharger. What's going on? Going hunting. They came in a couple of weeks ago. And after I got this kit here, I noticed that our flange here, that's a -4 flange, the bolt spacing is too small. So I believe this is for a Garrett GT15 turbo, which sucks. So Josh Kylan is also making me another one of those that will fit my turbo. So, hey, lucky day for you, Josh. You get 2 shoutouts in one video. Keep up the work, bud. So, yeah. And by the way, Nick Wright, aka Guitar Magan ZL1, if you're watching this video, because I'll probably message you to let you know what my channel name is. No, I definitely will tell you my channel name, actually. Please subscribe to me, because that would be just totally awesome. I'd be wonderful to have one of my biggest YouTubers as a subscriber of me, as I am subscribed to you. So if you could please subscribe to me, that would be awesome. And the Camaros are badass too. I love them, especially the 13. Totally awesome. Now this is perfect, everybody. After watching Guitar Magan ZL1 for almost a year now, I think I'm wanting to build something totally crazy. Y'all know it's gonna have to do with a tractor. Y'all have seen in a couple of my videos before, I have that Ford YT16 frame and body laying in my shop. The body, I'm going to make a custom frame to put that body on for a pulling tractor. However, frame, oh boy. Yep, we got something wild coming for that. As soon as I set up my YouTube account, or my YouTube channel to make money for making videos, excuse me, sorry. Y'all keep giving me views on my vids. Y'all keep subscribing. Y'all keep giving me positive feedback. I will be on the market to buy 4 22 horsepower Predator V-twin engines. Yes. 4 22 horsepower Predator V-twins. I'm going to stretch the front of the frame of my YT16 to mount all 4 of those engines. So that's going to be about 12 feet long there. At least 10 to 12 feet. And then probably a fully built International Harvester Cub Cadet 3-speed rear transaxle. Yes, transaxle. 3-speed. And I'm going to change all the gearing so I have a real high gear ratio that I can give it wide open at a drag strip. Oh, well, I just gave away what I was building. When I have it wide open there, I pop the clutch. That thing is gonna be off. And y'all know what I'm building already. Now that I gave away drag strip as a hint, I am building a dragster tractor. Hopefully it works out. It's going to have a full roll cage for me to sit in. I'm going to have roll cages, basically like doghouse, a long doghouse cage along over all 4 engines. Under the fenders. Basically then, y'all know how like a NASCAR, they have a full roll cage, internal roll cage, and then they put the body on. They basically have tabs on routed to the roll cage that are drilled and tapped. And they have bolts that hold the body to the roll cage, and it's fiberglass. So I'm going to make some custom, maybe I'll make it out of fiberglass, but doubt it. I'll most likely make it out of aluminum, because that's real lightweight. And I'll have tabs on there, and I'll bolt the aluminum body panels, aluminum hood, aluminum fenders, and I'll probably build like a thing around the roll cage and where I'm going to be sitting. I will have a nice drag racing seat. Possibly I might go with a Corbeau like Qatar again ZL1 has in his 2013 Camaro ZL1. Absolutely will not be doing not nitrous though like he did on his ZL1. But I will be building the engines up real good, so I'm going to push probably 80, if I'm lucky, maybe 100 horsepower throughout the whole tractor with all 4 engines. That's 25 horsepower per engine, which I will achieve by boring them out and most likely running straight pipe exhaust. It's gonna be loud. Definitely gonna have a kill switch on it in case it gets out of hand. Probably going to be putting some pretty wide spacers on it to give it good stance. At least in the rear, and I'm gonna somehow find some nice fat tires for that. Be good for drag racing. Maybe I won't even use a Cub rear end, but I would rather use one. If I do, I'm gonna have to find some cheap like turf tire and somehow have the tread all sanded down to maybe where this has some very faint, where the tread is very faint, where like you can somewhat see it. So there's some sort of traction, maybe like a millimeter of tread that it will still hook up. Crap. I forgot what I was gonna say. Sorry. That's it. I'm definitely going to probably be putting brakes. Yes, brakes on the front wheels. Very often you see garden tractors front wheel brakes. But I'm gonna do it. And I'll be able to roast the freaking tires on that sucker, I'll tell you. Yeah. Sorry, I'm really tired again. But yeah, this video is getting a little long, so I'm gonna cut it somewhat short, so thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Quoted from Guitar Magazine's ZL1.